you're an equine therapist, and I gather you use these pads all the time, but something's happened to it. What did the horse do to this very unclean pad?
This pad has been used solidly for 4 years. She's all right. I had it strapped to a horse. It disagreed with what was going on, took it, had a big shake, moved sideways, and it's just gone under it and been trampled.
Right. Okay, well, because these pads are all made right here on this table in Perth,
They are.
we can fix it.
Yes, that's why I buy it from you in the first place, my love.
Good. Nothing goes over east or overseas, because we are the only manufacturers in Australia of these pads. So we make them and we repair them here. So no problem at all. So I've assessed this pad, and what we found, we'll just turn it over, is that if you wiggle that, you'll actually, if you want to wiggle that, and I'll show you what's going on.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so all the horse has done is actually given the lead a really good wrench at that end.
Yeah.
So that's easy fixed.
Awesome.
We just literally clip off the lead and you solder on a new lead and get it back to you. And I reckon I can get it back to you tomorrow. How's that sound?
Perfect. I need it for work.
You need it for work?
Yeah.
Great.
Awesome. Thanks, love.
Okay, high five.
Love
Terrific.
it.